Okay.
Yay!
We're so happy we reached 1,000 subscribers in YouTube.
Yay! Thank you so much for the never-ending support and motivating us to keep creating awesome content.
Yes.
So the past 1 year, Nat and I have just been traveling all around Philippines and now Europe. So we're excited to show this special video.
Yeah, so we've made this video on how to travel like the traveling foxes.
Woo!
Again.
Wait, fine.
And that's how you do an Instagram photo, guys.
I'm being used.
Tip number 1. Have a crazy schedule or itinerary.
The traveling foxes are always on the go. They want to see as much as they can in a given time. Therefore, their travel schedules are always fully packed, and you can most likely spot them running around, moving from one location to the next.
We made it just before sunset. Hopefully not too far because the sun's going down. It's already past 6 p.m. Still catching.
Tip number 2. Don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone.
On a run from a given disaster.
As they say, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. And this is one of our mantras. The traveling foxes exist to inspire individuals to get out of their comfort zone and learn more about life through travel.
Hello from the traveling fox.
When you're too lazy to walk, you trek.
It's only 2 kilometers, but Nat wants to drive the trike.
No, we're gonna miss the sunset. Tip number 3. Get serious about packing.
Your trips can become less pleasant if you have not packed properly. Have you checked our huge list of travel packing tips?
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Yes, we have all our bags packed. We have our tour guide. We have our tent. We have our tent as well, and we're ready to go camp.
Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you.
But before we pack up, I always want to share with you some tips, especially when traveling or camping inside a tent. As you know, we're 2 female travelers traveling here in the Philippines, so we always have to think safety first.
Tip number: prepare for the unexpected.
That video itself was pretty unexpected. But one thing you learn from traveling to different places is that anything can happen. From trip delays to lost passports and other unpleasant circumstances. Learn to keep your cool and tackle each situation as they come.
There's bird poop. We just started the tour and I got pooped by a bird already. Time to pack this beautiful tent. As the view, it's kind of drizzling right now.
Na kung
Oh
saan
my
ay
gosh.
talaga mangangailangan kayo ng kumot.
So we found out that it's going to be cold here. And Nat and I only brought thin clothes. Hala! We're gonna get cold! We're gonna die! And tip number 5, have fun!
We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. Yeah, we just never get it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know. I should have taken the wheel. For the better. No, that's just how it ends. With different confidence, we find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces.
Once again, thank you for supporting the Traveling Foxes. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. Catch you guys later!